Today, we're going to talk about understanding the basics of plant care and maintenance. Taking care of your plants is essential to having a healthy and productive garden. But it can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. One of the most important aspects of plant care is monitoring your plants for pests and diseases. Regularly inspecting your plants for signs of damage or discoloration can help you to catch any problems early and take action before they become severe. Pruning is another important aspect of plant care. It helps to shape your plants, encourage bushier growth, and remove dead or diseased branches. Fertilization is also important for maintaining healthy plants. Adding the right type and amount of fertilizer can help your plants to grow stronger and produce more fruit or flowers. Mulching is another important aspect of plant care. It helps to retain moisture in the soil, suppress weeds, and add organic matter to the soil. By understanding and following these basic plant care and maintenance techniques, you'll be able to keep your plants healthy and productive. Check the link below to start your journey to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!